we are going to discuss about the nests. And what are nests? Nests means the homes of birds. Just like human beings, birds also need homes, and the homes of the birds are called as nests. And what are the necessities? Why do the birds build the nests? The birds build the nests to lay eggs and sit over them until the young ones or the baby birds come out of the eggs. So also the birds require nests to protect themselves from the harsh climate or harsh weather like heavy rains, strong winds. So also the nests protect the birds and their young ones from the enemies or the strangers. And for all these reasons, the birds build the nests. And the nestlings. What are the nestlings? The baby birds are called as nestlings. Here you can see nestlings means the baby birds. So the nestlings are very weak and they do not have feathers on their body. Also their eyes are closed, and that is why the bird takes care of the nestlings until it grows big, until feathers develop on its body, until its eyes open. And once the nestlings or the baby bird is grown, that is, it has feathers and it can search for its own food and it can fly on its own, the mother bird takes care of its baby birds. And once the baby bird grows fully, the baby bird leaves the nest and it starts flying and moving, and in search of food also it starts flying on its own. Now I will be telling you about the nests of some birds. The birds like sparrow, tailor bird, vultures, woodpeckers, weaver bird, these birds make nests. Whereas there are some birds which do not build nests but they live on the branches of the trees itself. So the birds like sparrow, tailor bird, vultures, woodpecker, how do these birds build their nests? What are the things they make use of in building the nests? I will be showing you the pictures of the nests of some of the birds, and I will explain you by what things these birds make their nests. Here you can see the nest of a sparrow. The sparrow makes its nest on trees or in the houses or any places which are protected. So the sparrow makes use of grass, leaves, straw and cotton to make its nest. The pigeons also make similar type of nests by using the same material, that is grass, leaves, straw and cotton to making its nest. The next is the tailor bird. Here you can see the tailor bird. The tailor bird, it sieves the leaves with its beak to make the nest. Sieving means it stitches the leaves together. Just like the tailor who stitches our clothes, this bird also stitches the leaves and makes a nest for itself, and so it is called a tailor bird. It makes use of the thread, wool and vegetable fiber to stitch these leaves together, and in this way the tailor bird builds its nest. The next are the vultures. Here you can see the vultures. The vultures and the eagles, these are huge birds, and these birds, they make their nests on high trees, the trees which are tall enough. They build their nests on the top of such tall trees, and these nests look like shallow cups. Here you can see the shape of the nests of the vulture. The vultures and the eagles make such type of nests which look like a shallow cup, and they make use of sticks and twigs. Twigs means small branches. So the vultures make use of sticks and small branches to make their nest. The next is the woodpecker. You can see here the woodpecker. It is, who is a woodpecker? A woodpecker as we have learned that the woodpecker is having very strong and chisel shaped beak so that it can take the insects which hide in the tree branches. So also to make the nest, the woodpecker make use of its strong and chisel shaped beak, and the woodpecker makes a hole into the tree trunk and makes a nest. A big hole is made by this bird into the tree trunk and it lives there. It lines the hole with wood chips to make the nest cozy. So small pieces of wood are used by the woodpecker to make the nest cozy, that is soft enough. So this was about the woodpecker and its nest. Its nest is hole into the tree trunk. The next is the weaver bird. Here you can see how beautiful this bird builds its nest. It makes use of grass and twigs, that is small branches, and ties them into knot to make its nest. The nest is strong, big, and hangs from the branch of the tree. The entrance is at the lower end of the nest. So you can see this hole, it is the nest, and the entrance is kept at the lower side here. Just imagine how beautiful this bird builds its nest. What creativity it is having when it builds such beautiful and strong nest for itself and its nestlings. So these were the types of nests that the birds build for themselves. The other birds like peacock and also crow, they don't build nests for themselves, but they live on the trees.